metiti ana me hu a na eye me de se me PPP ni.
Yes, mo
just say mama feel so proud.
Yes.
Why? The Progressive People's Party. Hey, na say nim nyansa sa.
Aden na the chairman na so see candidates will be the
na say opposite of nyansa yen
minimum.
Nti wa sha because say there's a quote in Proverbs. Proverbs is my book of life. Or say, the prudent sees danger and takes refuge, but the simple keeps going and suffer for it. What am I saying? The prudent in you will be our enyansa for whom is a dear way. Ebe woman now a peck and crop of a obe solve and I obe jinan chen sa de ni ntimi won ani nemom nia on nim nyansa ana nadwene mu na ho no obe kwa ma de na ko won ani. And that's Progressive People's Party. Ninti am say me proud of being a regional chairman and a member of that party. Eye niema ya ni sisi Ghana and in summer yaka over 12 years na yenu anumi MPP ni NDC Ghana for ehu omobo na eto aba na mo say o mu de mu nko nanka mu de mu ntie de PPP for ikra kan na mu nko ye bi pese minkuminya abro boni adwenfin enti omo nye na ade ne wo ye ni na wo ye ni na omo so ho di I say doctor oton aduro onim say aduro wo de ma no maduro we a o yare ni nyina to betwa ma ho atọ na obu ni tot de bia na wo kọ na oba de bia na wo kọ na aba na je say onu didi wo ho sa na MPP ni NDC omaya Ghana for na ni tua pa sa ade ni wo solve problem we a ebe solve ya ma ye nyina ho beto ya ma oman na konanim onye na obu ni tot na e wo Ghana for ani na e de ani ne kọ na omo no ji hu sikadi. And that is why I'm saying proud of being the chairman of Progressive People's Party in the Asante region. Because as I no pay money abrea woni Evans mudi hun konkonsen amu kenya amu ye nyina en konkongo si there e dey asema the election of MMDCEs. Simple. Nana do begina hun keka hun sem we're going to do this and from 8 years okofie JDM so ba ya na no be promise ye ka so be hu adwuma anasa jaw me boa yet here I think one bia constitutional review yeah
so say nyina e part of the review process
ne ko si sen nti asem ase Ejisu ye de asem ye de asem
party for and no more attack
adaya party emma ehun ni say the MCE is doing something or more nempe na party na Ejisu no NDC for nkwa dia so what is this issue? So would you say MCE ade na oye and nam emra kwanso a fa me police station report man na no MCE report no nye say MCE ade na oye no say wonam mra kwanso na ade ya I mean you won't be see the kwan ade enti na wo say party ma you see we na your constituency executive we ye chairman we ye secretary we ye organizer asema even see Kenya na wona na mo we ni nuani we na oye executive we na party for na. So even if say MCE ne ye ade na oye ne beboa the entire municipal na because so ono ye party member na ono no nya benefit was ade ni mu nti no on tiase obe si ni kwan obe pe kwan bi so look at what you are saying omo try some meeting ye free assembly members meeting yeah because that is the law. Any sanity dia yem pe kwan bia ye betimi aye yiti any yem free meeting ye free meeting adwen fini adwen bone ne sabi jimi enko
chairman
oh no what sejo da bi te hwe Ejisu honum na Ejisu hona na bi eye no cross na me ka che hono me nto me boase asem no kore bible nkora ho o se sabi agegentwie ye ka agegentwie a it's clear you are a foolish person no ti Ejisu honum no o ha Sejon, one out here now catch me. Ana me executives me will be or me be honum. Ah, mammy, no juma all year or honum. Ebwa municipal no.
I am telling you.
Uba more evidence. What better actual evidence who be. Into Ejisu mano, into the entire Ejisu no, man and pet maame na adwuma oye warehouse ba ko pe na mo whatever interest or whatever reason eno no ntino mo be frame meeting ni akoye na vote of no confidence because you have the power yes sir ni we are saying vote of no confidence ni
count authorities that is
that's what I'm saying ni empam no
that is what
it empam no na say wo ba be ya what benefits do you get self interest sometimes enti ana progressive people's party aka kire mo say sa niema we say no ehun hia let's do the election of MMDCEs simple matter enye ni say no pay wo friend regional chairman minua na nakosi Augustus obabi a wonam bia nyame nka no on say papa no on pekasa and then few times na betin say obi a okasa on the media o friend na okana o say Sir John wo de bibia beto din ya freeway ya kan bibia asumdwem na I mean why do you have to worry people at this time why self interest
sa wo mo regional abatu wo mo guso mo ye any constituency dey wo mo guso mo ye ama say wo MCE and DCB na say mo hunu say undi side bi and also against a side bi not the regional level even a constituency level no ma certified too
say
as I was saying say
the omo MPP for no ye na omo de ye ya omo silent ye omo ko gina ba bi afi omo we ya aye de aye omo yi say na omo so pese omo ye bi
but o say
omo be chichemu a na we free ha na we gina ha we free ha na we gina ha we free ha we gina we free ha bo say wetre sala no money so ati omo wan I mean me there Sir John the point that I want to make is say JDM and speed things up. Let's do the election of MMDCEs, non-partisan. That is what the PPP have been talking about for 12 years. Says Anetia, some the Entokwa Ekosi, and I am pen. Party. My question is say they are no mobile radio, and I DC focus say in those days, Ghana no any MPP for there, a yen idea. And in the same way, the municipal does not belongs to the NDC party at Ejisu. It is a MCE idea being entia mokra on pa and na making yeah regional executives the regional minister honorable Dr. Frank or akokwa nyame there penifo ho no more you can report na ekoye gidigidi na ntokwa na mempene na ye betu no na ebe me sa niema no de mfaso na benya no even was nipa no so bo adwuma wo ye na eboa the municipal nge na ya to aba ana yeto aba na yi na saa sema mo kem betima beka abugina waka say we party ba se jo asema na make am follow me there
chama me tio se ebisu so bisu
so we party ba
so bisu akofa asase and some dey say do
say na make sure say
bisu akofa ai o minor aban asase aban no so ye me no wu ya nipa ba ko so obeso si o si MCE so ompene si tem ba ko use ya from fan cheme na eno that time ya me penny use na anum ko use bi asem by e was on ba ko hwe no ka je who born dog si ba ko hwe MCE animu ka je who born dog
that's it
so we ka che say
obeso say
party ni mobile ni
mo it is say mo person che say nya to aba de ma obi a ye to aba de ma party bi a the nation belongs to that party
tumfo
I mean, mo pesa mo kandea na no pawe mo ya na o man ye hunu ba bia ye mfa nko yi MPP di say this aniema say ya kunkunkunkum mo ko mo befa forest fa o mo befa mining site fa o mo befa kwan fa enne energy amanfo gina court ya ye nsem bebre wo so aba no wo be ka cho bi say who born dog just say who born dog yeah unim kwan fa so e ba e sa no be gina ka kire
yeah
unim kwan fa so e ba power
yeah to chrome asem na me ka obi say I me camp menya o ya regional executive na say wo pre contract I was in ka constituency for pre and ye dey mom na say wo to region na wo fumu a wo na be hawo me mo wudin enipa amatima boni din say ono de me ya aware say wono omo de buy a wa reject ebi mo nante the corner office say chief we dey contract to o say mo fa ko party for maka eyisha mo no pa minim ono omo de ko no aka je say mo fa nkoma constituency for de me kan say mo se me boa mo am betima confirm